Back to my channel on Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be guiding you through on how to convert your PDF to JPEG. Like if you want to convert your PDF document to an image format document, that's what I'll be guiding you through on how to do. Or vis-a-vis, if you want to convert your JPEG to a PDF document or any other format, that's what I'll be guiding you through on how to do. So you know how to do that. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime as I produce an awesome video like this. So let's go. Let me move over to my browser. You don't need to install any app. You don't need to install any app. So just go to your browser, go to your Google and search. If you want to convert PDF to image JPEG, you just search PDF to JPEG converter. Just search this on your browser. Then you will see some suggestions by Google. So I have used I love PDF. This is good. I have used smallpdf.com. This is also good. Any of these two is good. You can use any of them. So let me go to I love this PDF. So this one. So what I need to do is just to select the PDF file that I want to convert to image. Make sure that what you're selecting is a PDF file. Then I'll go to image picker. So what I'll need, so I'll wait for it to load. So I'll find a PDF file. A PDF is a document that you can read on Adobe. So let me go and find. So let me just select any document. All these things are images. So if you don't find it there, just go like this. Then you go to document. Then you can go to WhatsApp. Find the location of that particular document on your. So let me use this particular PDF. So let me use this. So it's uploading this document. So once it's through uploading that, you see button convert to PDF. Let me click on convert to PDF. Wow, boom, it's already done that within some seconds. So I'll click on download image. So the image has been downloaded on my device. So let me open it. So as you can see, I've converted this particular image to this particular PDF to an image. So if you can do likewise, if you want to convert from image to PDF and vis-a-vis, you can always use this particular website. I'll be dropping the link on the description of this particular video on YouTube. So if you find this particular video useful, please do it to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.